Warning, my dear friend. If you are over 65, what I am about to share may surprise you, because one tiny seed in your kitchen could either be your silent enemy or your gentle healer. Many of us add just a pinch of spice to our evening tea, to our bread, or to our soups, believing it's harmless, even healthy. But what if I told you this small habit could quietly disturb your blood pressure, tighten your joints, upset your digestion, and even steal your sleep? At the same time, the very same spice, when used in the right way, could bring peace to your stomach, lightness to your body, and calmness to your nights. Welcome to Golden Rest Guide, a channel created with love and care for seniors across the world, where ancient wisdom meets modern science to give you solutions that truly work. Stay with me, because once you understand the truth about this overlooked spice, you will see how something so small can become one of your greatest allies in health. Now let me ask you, have you noticed how after 60, even a light meal can sometimes feel heavy? The very same bread, rice, or soup that once felt comforting now sits like a stone in the stomach. Perhaps you've felt your joints creak in the morning, or you've woken up after 7 hours of sleep still feeling tired. These are not signs of weakness. They are the body's way of whispering that it needs help. Doctors today call this condition low-grade inflammation. It is like a quiet fire inside your body, caused by aging cells. At first, it does not cause dramatic pain, but over time, it begins to affect everything: your blood pressure, your sugar levels, your digestion, and even the way your brain handles memory and emotions. Here's the fascinating part. Science now agrees with what traditional wisdom has always taught us, that the tiny herbs and spices in your kitchen are not only for flavor, they are natural medicines. They may not work as strongly or as quickly as a pill, but when used daily, they balance the body gently, steadily, and safely. Some of them boost serotonin in the brain, improving mood and sleep. Others slow the breakdown of starch, helping control blood sugar. And many act as mild anti-inflammatories, reducing swelling in joints, arteries, and even the brain itself. Among these natural treasures, there's one small seed that has surprised even modern doctors. It looks simple, it smells mild, yet it carries extraordinary power. That spice is carom seeds. Carom seeds contain thymol, a natural compound with both anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic effects. What does that mean for you? It means it can calm the stomach, reduce bloating, help food move smoothly through the system, and bring comfort to those who struggle with gas or indigestion. Beyond that, research suggests it may help lower bad cholesterol, balance blood pressure, and even improve sleep by calming the nerves. Let me share the story of Mrs. Shanta, a 72-year-old retired teacher. For years, she lived with what she called a stubborn stomach. Even light food left her bloated. She tried antacids, digestive pills, and home remedies, but nothing gave lasting relief. Then, a doctor advised her to chew half a teaspoon of roasted carom seeds after dinner. She thought, what difference can such a tiny seed make? But within a week, her bloating was reduced. By the second week, she was sleeping 6 hours straight, something she hadn't experienced in years. She said, I cannot believe something so small could bring peace back to my body. And she is not alone. Seniors everywhere are rediscovering the power of carom seeds. Research confirms 5 powerful benefits for people above 60. Number 1, relief from joint pain and stiffness. After 60, joints begin to complain. Knees feel heavy, shoulders ache, fingers resist movement. Carom seeds, thanks to thymol, act like a gentle anti-inflammatory, calming the silent swelling inside joints. One gentleman, aged 68, began taking a quarter teaspoon of roasted carom seeds with warm water in the morning. Within 2 weeks, his knee stiffness eased, and he could walk to the local park without clutching the wall. Number 2, better digestion. As we age, our digestive muscles slow down. Food ferments, gas builds, and bloating creates discomfort. Carom seeds stimulate digestive juices and reduce gas formation. A simple recipe is carom seed water. Boil half a teaspoon in 1 glass of water for 5 minutes, strain, and sip slowly before meals. Mrs. Seema, age 70, who once skipped evening gatherings due to stomach discomfort, now enjoys her community group again, thanks to this gentle habit. Number 3, natural support for blood pressure. Many seniors live with borderline hypertension, thinking it's just part of aging. But even small rises in blood pressure quietly stress the heart and brain. Carom seeds help relax blood vessels and calm the nervous system, supporting smoother circulation. Mr. Naran, age 73, added half a teaspoon of roasted carom seeds after lunch and dinner. After 1 month, his blood pressure stabilized within a safe range, and he felt clearer in the head and steadier on his feet. Number 4. Better sleep. This is one of the most beautiful benefits. Many elders fall asleep easily but wake at 2 or 3 a.m., restless and unsettled. Carom seeds support the gut-brain connection, calming both digestion and the nerves. When the belly feels light, the mind follows, and sleep becomes softer, deeper, more healing. One lady, age 67, who had struggled for 3 years with broken sleep, began inhaling steam from boiled carom seeds before bed and chewing a quarter teaspoon after dinner. Within 10 days, she was sleeping peacefully for 7 hours. Number 5. Gentle blood sugar support. For elders managing early diabetes, carom seeds may help slow the breakdown of starch into sugar, keeping post-meal spikes more stable. Combined with mindful meals, this means better energy and fewer afternoon crashes. One gentleman, age 66, began drinking carom tea with a stick of cinnamon. His post-lunch sugar dropped, and his evening energy returned. Now you may ask, how should I use it safely? Here are some doctor-backed methods. The first method: roast a quarter to half teaspoon and chew slowly after meals. This is simple and effective. The second method: carom water. Boil half a teaspoon in 1 glass of water, simmer for 5 minutes, strain, and drink warm in the morning. This gently prepares the stomach for the day. The third method: digestive blend. Mix equal parts carom seeds, cumin, and fennel, roast lightly, grind, and store. Take half a teaspoon after rich meals. This combination brings powerful relief for gas and heaviness. But listen carefully. Carom seeds are warming in nature. If you have a history of ulcers, acid reflux, or on blood thinners, consult your doctor first. If you feel heat or burning, reduce the amount and combine with cumin. Always listen to your body. Gentle balance is the key. Timing matters too. For digestion, take it after meals. For cleansing, try it in the morning. Avoid late-night use on an empty stomach. Think of carom seeds not as a quick fix but as a daily companion, steady, safe, and supportive. My dear friend, as we come towards the close of this journey, let me leave you with a truth. After 60, your body is not asking for stronger pills. It is asking for gentler understanding. Healing does not always come from expensive treatments. Sometimes it waits quietly in a small jar on your kitchen shelf. That little jar of carom seeds is more than flavor. It is a reminder from your ancestors that health has always lived close to home. Our grandparents did not have high-tech machines, but they had wisdom passed down by hand and heart. A handful of seeds used with care could bring comfort to the stomach, peace to the joints, and softness to the sleep. Carom seeds are not magic, but they are meaningful. They are a chance to work with your body, not against it, to bring balance slowly, steadily, and safely, one pinch at a time. Now, I want to hear from you. If this message touched you, type the word strength in the comments. Share this video with a friend, a neighbor, or a loved one over 60 who deserves better sleep, better digestion, and lighter days. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to Golden Rest Guide so we can continue this journey together towards a life not only longer, but calmer, stronger, and filled with true golden rest. Thank you. And may your next meal carry not just flavor, but healing in every seed, every sip, and every breath.